bit of water. Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. So I'm currently making tacos. I'm cutting up a tomato that you can't see me doing. Just kidding. I actually might not be having tacos because I just burnt the lentils. Honestly, I love tacos, but I'm not really a fan of hamburger as much as I used to be. So if you're looking for a good alternative, lentils are actually really good with some taco seasoning. It tastes just like hamburger. Guys, I've had a really big week. You don't even know. I moved, but I moved to a whole new province. So I couldn't bring anyone with me to help me move because they'd have to quarantine. So I moved all by myself. I rented a 22-foot U-Haul and I drove 6 hours by myself, unloaded everything in the U-Haul by myself. It was an experience, that's for sure. And I also hit another car in the process. I've never hit another car in my life. I was petrified. So I had to like call 911, and I've never called 911 before either. So that was like a whole thing. I was so scared, but luckily the guy, like the owner of the car, he was really good about it. Like he wasn't too upset with me or anything. So it took some time out of my day, but like, oh my God. So I'm in quarantine right now, and it's actually not too bad because like normally when you move, you need a few days to kind of unpack everything and decorate and all that stuff. So that's kind of what I've been doing. While I'm in quarantine, I'm actually allowed 1 hour a day to go outside and like go for a walk or bike ride as long as I have my mask on. I'm on day 4 of quarantine. Yeah, I got here on Tuesday and it's Friday. These are done, I think. So yeah, I thought I'd do a vlog during quarantine and kind of like bring you guys along with me. I'm kind of lonely, even though it's only like the 4th day and I still have 10 days left. My birthday is in a couple days, and this is gonna be the first birthday that I've ever celebrated alone. I didn't mention this in my kitten adoption video, but Mango and I actually have the same birthday, and I didn't know that until after I adopted him. Like a few days later, I was looking at his adoption papers and it said his birthday is May the 12th. And like, what a coincidence is that? It's kind of meant to be. Speaking of Mango, a lot of you guys commented on my last video saying that you wanted to see a kitten update, and this is him. He's gotten so big. I can't believe he's almost a year old already. Like when I got him, I could literally just hold him in one hand. He was so tiny. He's very energetic, not as energetic as he used to be. He does sleep a lot more now, but he sleeps with me like all night long, right beside me on my bed. He has a pretty good sleep schedule for a cat. I just woke him up from a nap for this, but he's my baby. He actually did really good on the drive here for 6 hours. He slept pretty much the whole time. He just sat in a little kennel on the passenger seat beside me. Here is my tacos. Look how good these look. I think I actually did a really good job. I made a really good pizza for supper 2 nights ago, and I took a bite into one piece and there was like one of my hairs in it. I have like a fear of hairs, like legitimately, like not just grossed out by them, but like I absolutely despise loose hairs. Like I think it's so disgusting, which sucks because that pizza was really good, so it was kind of like unappetizing after that. Also, that kitten video, the last couple of months it's been blowing up, and I posted that back in like August of last year, but then all of a sudden it's blowing up now. So thank you guys for watching. So like I said, I'm allowed an hour outside every day to like go for a walk and stuff. And just before supper, I went out for a walk for like 20-30 minutes. I'm thinking after supper, I'm gonna go out for a walk again. I'm trying to go like new places because I've never lived here before. And it's supposed to rain like the next 5 or 6 days. So I really want to get out today before it's crappy outside. Mango, do you want to go for a walk? Sometimes I actually wish he was a dog so that I could take him for walks with me. It's definitely not super warm out. It's like 13 degrees, I think, but it's warmer than it's been the last few days. Here's my fit. I'm just wearing some ripped mom jeans, Air Force Ones, this long coat, and then this shirt. It was actually in my last video that I got from American Eagle. Oh, hi. Hello. Hello. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, I'm baking a cake because honestly I have nothing else to do and I'm craving something chocolate, you know. So I have 2 two, I can't tell if these are 8-inch or 9-inch round pans, to be honest. And it says that there's enough cake mix for 2 of them. So I'm gonna use 2 and then hopefully have enough batter left for a couple cupcakes too. And then I have this frosting. The dishwasher's going in the background, so ignore that. But I ended up getting 2 cakes and 2 little cupcakes out of it. They're actually really, really good. Okay, I just had a shower and I'm gonna show you guys my little makeup routine. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry, I just got a text that I did not expect to get. Okay, we're not gonna go into details though. Okay, Chloe, calm down, calm down. So once I use my face wash, I always moisturize with this stuff right here. It's by Fresh and it's the Vitamin Nectar Moisture Glow Face Cream. I get this from Sephora. It's a bit on the pricey side. I think it's like $60 or so. But honestly, this lasts you so long. Like I got this back in January, like right after Christmas, and it's not even halfway gone yet. So I mean, it's kind of worth the money for me and it's really good for my skin. It's all natural because I break out really easily. My makeup routine is so simple, which is weird because I actually love makeup, as you guys know. My next step is concealer. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I've been using this stuff for about 4 or 5 years now, and I've used a lot of different concealers throughout my lifetime, but this stuff I absolutely swear by. It's just perfect for my skin, and honestly I really don't use a ton of it. I just kind of use it to cover up like red spots. Also, my skin has been so dry since I started Accutane. I think I'm gonna make a video actually talking about my journey with Accutane because that's like a whole other story. There's so many things they don't tell you. Next, I put on mascara. I actually talked about this stuff in one of my last videos. It's the Hourglass Unlocked Instant Extensions mascara. I like this because I have really long lashes and sometimes it's hard to find a mascara that isn't like clumpy, and I want a mascara that's really gonna show off my long lashes. So I'm drinking some green tea. My aunt actually gave me this mug right before I moved. It's so cute. Next is my brows. You guys have definitely heard of this product before, but it's the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I use the color Taupe. I'm all about a natural looking makeup routine where you kind of just highlight the features that you like and it still looks like you're not wearing any makeup. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We are done. I think they're even. That's the scary part. Like it always looks even in the mirror, but then sometimes what I do is I take a picture on my phone and then, because it always shows it reversed, right? So I can see if it's even both ways. Yeah, I'm always paranoid about that. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go for a walk today because it was supposed to rain, but it's kind of getting nice out. Like I can see the sun starting to come out a little bit, so fingers crossed. It definitely didn't get any sunnier outside, but I'm still gonna go for a walk / run because I really want to get out of the house. I'm not really dressed cute at all, so hopefully I don't see anybody too attractive. I just ordered Uber Eats for the first time. When I tell you I am starving, I mean it. Because you get to look through all the restaurant options, and out of literally everywhere I could have picked to eat, I chose McDonald's. Because I'm craving like a fast food, juicy, greasy burger. I don't know. But I got a BLT, so it really doesn't give off those like greasy vibes anyway. So yeah, I've never used Uber Eats before. I don't know, apparently they like send you a message when it's at your door because I'm in quarantine. I can't like physically go grab it from them. He's just gonna leave it at my door. I don't know, I'm really excited. We got the goods, everybody. This is so cool. I've never done this. I ordered a smoothie too, so hopefully that's in here. Oh my God, it is. So, whoa. All right, here's my smoothie. This is the new smoothie that they have. It's the, I think it's like pineapple coconut or something like that. I think I found my new addiction. It's so easy to do. Like, why would anyone cook when you can just have this delivered to your door? Did someone say mukbang? I think so. Okay, wow, here is the burger. It looks really good. The sesame seed bun. Let's try it. The bacon has like a smoky taste to it. And let's try this too. It looks really good. I like anything with coconut. Yeah, that's good. It has a very like summery taste to it. And of course the fries. In my opinion, McDonald's hit it spot on with their Seriously Chicken Burgers, because to me it doesn't really taste like you're eating fast food, you know? Like, they actually put time and effort into making the Seriously Chicken Burgers. I don't know. I feel like this entire vlog is just gonna be me cooking, eating, and going for walks. So you'll never guess what I'm doing. I'm going for a walk. The outfit's kind of giving me like business lady mom vibes, but I love it. I'm about to say something that I know I'm gonna get judged for so hard. I've never hard-boiled an egg before, and they say that's like one of those things you should know how to do before you move out on your own, but I never have. So last night I followed a video and I actually did it. I was so scared to crack them open and it was just gonna run everywhere, but they turned out perfect. Big surprise, I ordered more food. So today, Starbucks came out with their new strawberry funnel cake frappuccino, and I heard about it a few days ago, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh my god, I have to order that when it comes out. I love anything strawberry. I love their frappuccinos. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at the strawberry sauce, and then they put, I think it's like some kind of cookie crumb on the top. Oh, this is so pretty. Taste test. Wait, what? You want to try too? Holy cow, that is really good. Like, I'm not even just saying that. It definitely tastes like strawberry funnel cake. I would say like the frappuccino part has almost like a caramely taste to it, but with the strawberry syrup in there and the whipped cream, oh my gosh. I think I'd give this like an 8 out of 10. Maybe even like a 9 out of 10. It's that good, I'm not even kidding. I hope they keep this on the menu for a while. This just made my day. Guess what today is? It's my birthday, bitch. I even blew up balloons. Yes, I blew up balloons for myself. And it's someone else's birthday today. Hi, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Aw, hello. I'm gonna use one of those cakes I baked the other day, and I have some candles for myself, and then I have this #1 candle from Mango, and he can't eat cake, but I'm gonna put it in some wet cat food. I know, I'm creative. I just spent 2 hours trying to take a good Instagram pic, and I still don't think I like them. Okay, so I'm just gonna use one of these things and then stick a candle in it. Hi, are you so excited? He's purring. He knows what I have. Look at this, you guys. Isn't that adorable? Look, Mango. What's Mom got? Oh my goodness. Happy birthday. Here we go. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Are you ready to blow it out? Yay! Yay, happy birthday. I just ordered a little donair pizza and it looks so good. So I'm gonna eat that, watch an episode of something on Netflix, and then have some cake. This was one of the cakes I made the other day. And yes, I know I've already eaten out of it. Pink one, green. Okay, I think that's 19. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 17, 18, 19. All right. I've never done that by myself before. Definitely felt weird and kind of sad. At least I have cake though. Okay, I only have a couple days left of quarantine. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Sorry if this video is kind of all over the place. It's definitely not my best work. But let me know what videos you want to see next, because I have lots of time on my hands this summer and I want to keep filming as much as I can. So yeah, thanks for joining me during my quarantine. I hope you're all doing amazing and also staying safe. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!